everyone, and welcome to my last minute April bullet journal setup. Here I'm using my brush pen to write the title for this cover page, and I'm going to make it look like some sort of a serif lettering or font. And here you can see how I made it. Next, I'm going to glue in place some pieces of craft paper that I have laying around, because why not? And next is going to be my monthly log, where I'm going to use my go-to calendar layout. And here you can see how I made a grid for this one with a fine liner and a brown marker that I have. And next I'm going to use my brush pen to write days of the week and a title for this page, so it will be easier to navigate later on. And after I finish that, I will use my thin fine liner to write down every single day of this month. And I have some space left underneath that I will use for my number one highlight, which is just something that I want to remember. And here I'm also gluing some of these gift wrapping paper pieces. And that's it for this one. Next are going to be my brain dump and habit check pages, and I'm just going to write titles for them because I need a lot of space to write everything and I don't want to decorate these two. I'm using that same brush pen and a brown marker to underline it, and that's it. For my next two pages, I'm going to make my content plan. Last month I did one page and it really wasn't enough. So I'm going to separate these two into my blog and video ideas, some other sections that I want to have, and that's really it. You can use this plan for your lifestyle. And now onto my workout log. Here I'm just going to write down some things that I have. And lastly, weekly spread. Here I'm using that same brush pen to write down days of the week, and I'm using pieces of that paper just to decorate it, nothing crazy. And after I finished everything, this is my all finished April bullet journal setup. I really love how it looks and how I use this paper that I always want to use, but I don't know how. So I hope you guys like it too. Comment down below and like this video. If you like it, let me know what do you want to see in my next video. And of course, if you want to see more videos like this one, subscribe, and I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye.